Hi, you're watching NDTV Swirlster, and today I have with me the lifelong multi-use trimmer that is made for women. Now this is a rechargeable hair trimmer that has a soft touch and is intended to trim hair over the facial area, the bikini area and the eyebrows as well. It comes in this box and I am going to unbox it and tell you all about it, so keep watching this video. Now this is what the lifelong multi trimmer for women looks like inside the box. Let me just unpack that for you. Now first up is the actual base of the trimmer itself. Now this is what it looks like. As you can see, the back of it has ridges for a firm grip while using it. These are more details here on this rose gold band. It adjusts the speed over here. It turns it on and off. On top, it is already fitted with the facial hair trimmer, and this is what it looks like. You can see it is circular in shape and the heads come off like this. That is what the facial hair trimmer head looks like. Let me show you the other accessories that come with it. The next is the eyebrow trimmer. This is the eyebrow trimming head. It fits into the base that you have just seen, and this trims the eyebrow area. The third and final head is this one, which is for the bikini area. This is what it looks like. It also comes with a removable cap, which is this one. You can put it on and remove it whenever you please in order to change the length of the area you are trimming. This is what it looks like. The other two accessories that come in this kit are the charger, and there is this brush to clean the heads. You've seen from the unboxing all the different parts of this lifelong kit. The main one is the base of it, which comes with the facial trimming head. There is also the bikini trimming head and the eyebrow trimming head. Along with it is also included a charger and a brush to remove any hair. Now I think this particular kit is amazingly versatile. I like that the different heads are designed specifically for hair removal at different parts of the body. That can be a little stressful when removing hair at home because you are worried about nicks or cuts or pain, but this completely eliminates all of that because these heads are made for removing hair at those different parts. So it is designed for comfort and no pain at all, which it really does well. Along with that, it also has the charging cord, so you get ample time of usage. That's up to 60 minutes when you charge it. It can be used without the cord, which makes it really handy. You can even just pack it in your bag and travel with it, or if you need to remove hair on the go, it can even do that. The brush of it also removes hair very well, and overall lends itself to quite an amazing solution for removing hair over all parts or almost all parts of the body right at home. So that is what we think of this product today.